we just told you about the big lunar eclipse taking place Sunday night, but there are a lot of other things to do this weekend.
Here's a man who's been known to howl at the moon once in a while. Michael Bruno's here with us.
Hello, Mark and Susan. Well, you know, it's the last weekend of September, and it looks like it'll be a great time to get outdoors and enjoy the 10th annual Zoo Run Run. Whether you're dressing up as a zoo animal and entering the costume contest, taking it easy with a 5K walk, or a serious runner for the 10K event, the Zoo Run Run is for you. It starts at 9 a.m. Sunday, and the Kids Roo Run Run starts at 10:30 a.m.
That's a lot of fun.
It's a great family event.
Perfect weekend for it.
Yep.
And it's, you know, it's fall, so it's time to raise a stein of beer, right?
Oh, yeah, Susan. You're known for their Swiss Roots and Spotted Cow beer. New Glarus will be celebrating both at the annual Oktoberfest, kicking off tonight with live music by Pink Houses and the ceremonial tap of the wooden keg at 9 p.m. on Saturday. There's also a chainsaw carving demonstration, and at noon, an antique tractor pull can be seen at New Glarus Lumber and Village Park.
Gas up the chainsaw. And do I hear a symphony?
Well, yes, Mark, you will tonight at the Overture Center as the Madison Symphony opens its new season with selections from Copland, Beethoven, and Tchaikovsky. Evening performances are tonight and Saturday and Sunday at 2:30 p.m.
And there are a couple of theater offerings this weekend.
That's right, Susan. First up, Mercury Players Theater continues its run of Rapture, Blister, Burn at the Bartell this weekend. In this award-winning new comedy, a rock star academic feminist and a brilliant wife and homemaker reunite years after their grad school days. Throw in a mouthy babysitter, a lazy dean of students, and a meddling mom who hands out wisdom in a martini glass, and the comedy of gender politics is complete. Rapture, Blister, Burn runs through next weekend. And meanwhile, over in Wisconsin Dells, two of my favorite worlds collide, theater and football. It's the Palace Theater's presentation of Lombardi, the inspiring story of a man's desire to be a champion no matter what the cost, and how Vince Lombardi created one of the greatest teams in NFL history. Lombardi, written by Academy Award winner Eric Simonson and based on the book by David Marinus, is a story of the American icon set in 1965. Go Pack!
Yes.
Go Pack!
Monday night.
They have that new theater up in the Dells.
It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous theater up there.
Yeah, Lombardi, that's a great show.
Yeah, I'd love to
Go
see
Pack
it.
indeed.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks, Michael.
Okay, have a good weekend.